Next, I work on the anchor element. So we have a open and close curly braces, so the color be white. We have a letter spacing, and the last option is a transition. So transition, I choose 0.5 second. So what is transition? If I just refresh the website, you can see, so the color is white, so you cannot see. So I just change it to the black here. So you can see there is a transition when we refresh the website. Anytime it is coming, anytime you open the website, it has a transition. And the A, hover. This is defining when the mouse cursor go on the link, what is the color of that. So you can see I choose the red color, and when I go on the link, it will change to the red color.